आदाब नाजरीन, IND टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
सर किशन रेड्डी जी को इतना इंपॉर्टेंट मंत्री पद दिया गया है। कहा जा रहा है कि जिस तरह से इस बार उड़ीसा बंगाल से सीटें आई हैं, बीजेपी अगली बार पूरा टारगेट साउथ में तेलंगाना को अगला ग्रुप बनाने के लिए कर रहा है। क्या कह रहे हैं कि अगली गवर्नमेंट हम तेलंगाना में लेके आना है।
बोलते रहते हैं नए नए हैं तो बोलना ज़रूरी है। अभी ट्यूनिंग नहीं हुई है, इनको बोलते रहेंगे, बताएंगे। देखिए, तेलंगाना में KCR की लीडरशिप में अच्छा काम हुआ है, अच्छा काम होता रहेगा। ये कंपोजिट कल्चर को बिलीव करने वाला स्टेट है और यहाँ पर सही मानों में एक तहजीब है और यहाँ पर एक कल्चर है और इंशाअल्लाह ताला वो बरकरार रहेगा। यहाँ पर जो BJP RSS कोशिश कर रही है उसमें नाकाम साबित होंगे, मुझे पूरा यकीन है।
Sir, Kishan Reddy says Hyderabad has become the safe haven for terrorists. How do you view his comments? And he says that all Bangladeshis and Myanmar illegal immigrants are staying in the old city of Hyderabad. They will be eliminated.
Well, Kishan Reddy statement clearly shows that he's an upstart. I want to know from the Prime Minister of India, not from Kishan Reddy, that in last 5 years, how many times have the NIA, IB and RAW given in writing to the Telangana state government about this bogus claim of Kishan Reddy? They have never done that. Secondly, it shows complete hatred for Telangana and Hyderabad on the part of the Telangana state government about this bogus claim of Kishan Reddy. They have never done that. Secondly, it shows complete hatred for Telangana and Hyderabad on the part of a minister in Modi's government, that he is not able to swallow that Hyderabad and Telangana has become a favorable destination for investment, for industrialists to come. And Hyderabad has this great honor of being the second state, and very soon we'll overcome it, that we are the second state in India who have the highest software exports. And he knows for a fact that in last 5 years there has been no communal riot in Hyderabad. There has been no disturbance during religious processions. So it clearly shows mindset of this new minister towards Telangana state, towards people of Hyderabad. And lastly, as far as ISIS is concerned, I have condemned it. But the highest number of ISIS arrests were made in Maharashtra and in UP. So, who's ruling in those two states? So this clearly shows the mindset of a minister who has not even taken the charge of his ministry, but he has jumped the gun. I welcome that he has shown his mindset, but people of Telangana and people of Hyderabad reject his statement with all the contempt it deserves.
Sir, apart from these illegal immigrants, it's said that wherever the terrorist act happens in the world, the roots are in the Hyderabad, particularly in the old city. How do you view his statement, sir? What is your reaction?
Well, he should go and read the judgment of Samjhauta Blast, where in his own ministry NIA, the judge said that despite having strong evidence, they didn't produce. Let him also say why are they not appealing against the Makkah Masjid bomb blast? Why are they not appealing against Makkah Masjid bomb blast? Why are they not appealing against the Ajmer bomb blast? So, these are all bogus claims. This shows the hatred for people of Hyderabad, for Telangana. And it is a clear message that they want to, go after people in the name of religion.
Sir, what is the need of your uttering words like Muslims are stakeholders, not tenants at this juncture?
Yes, what is wrong in that? Isn't right to equality a fundamental right in Constitution? If Modi has an equal right to go to a mandir, I also have equal right to go to a masjid. It is the Sangh Parivar, it is the BJP who wants to see Muslims as second-class citizens, which I am saying that it is a fight for us, and Constitution does not provide that. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in saying that? We are equal citizens, we want equal share, we are not second-class citizens, we will never be second-class citizens. The Constitution has not been defeated by Modi, the Constitution is still there.
Sir, one last question, sir. Are you worried about the rise of BJP because you gave some kind of confidence among the Muslim community? Are the Muslims are worried about the 303 seats of BJP?
No. Why should we be worried? In fact, when the results came, I had clearly told you that it is from last 5 years, BJP has tampered the Hindu mind, and that has been proven. The CSDS data clearly shows that the highest number of majority community votes was BJP had increased. In fact, increased that. So it is clearly there. As an Indian, I will be worried if the constitutional fundamental rights are being denied to minorities. That is where we'll have to see. And thirdly, Prime Minister says one thing, Kishan Reddy says one thing. Prime Minister says one thing, Giriraj says one thing. Prime Minister says one thing, and that Yoga Baba says one thing. So this is a deliberate theory of confusion which is being practiced by the BJP. And I'm pretty much sure that very soon the people of India would see that the BJP is trying to hide behind the failures of GDP and unemployment is touching at 6%. No more politics of creating fear of the minority will work anymore now.
Sir,
जय श्री राम महात्मा गांधी जी भी बोले थे। जो स्वतंत्रता जो संग्राम में भजन करते थे जय श्री राम के नाम पर, जय श्री राम के नाम पर भजन करते थे। जय श्री राम नाम अगर भारत में नहीं बोले तो पाकिस्तान में बोलते क्या? ये बहुत गलत है। ये देश में ऐसा हो गया है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं हमारा गले के ऊपर तलवार लगाए तो भी भारत माता को जय नहीं बोलूँगा, जय श्री राम बोले तो केस लगाऊंगा, वंदे मातरम बोले तो ये कम्युनल होगा।
गाजी किडनी सेंटर एंड मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल गुर्दे और बवासीर के इलाज का 40 साल मशहूर हॉस्पिटल, जहां हजारों पेशेंट्स क्योर हो चुके हैं। डॉक्टर हुसैनी इंटरनेशनल नेशनल अवार्ड विनर और दूसरे डॉक्टर्स और लेडी डॉक्टर्स की जेर खिदमत गुर्दे के तमाम अमराज का मुकम्मल ट्रीटमेंट किया जा रहा है। गुर्दे फेल हो चुके हों, डायलिसिस करवा रहे हों, याद रखिए डायलिसिस कोई इलाज नहीं, इससे 1% भी गुर्दे रिकवर नहीं होते। हाँ, डायलिसिस टेम्पररी रिलीफ दे सकता है, लेकिन हमारे ट्रीटमेंट से गुर्दे फिर से फंक्शन में आ सकते हैं। गुर्दे श्रिंक हो गए हों या सिस्ट हो, गुर्दे की पथरी हो, कैसी भी गुर्दे की तकलीफ हो या पाइल्स यानी बवासीर, चाहे ब्लीडिंग हो या कोम, बगैर ऑपरेशन मुकम्मल क्योर ट्रीटमेंट का एक ही सेंटर गाजी किडनी सेंटर, DLRL मेन रोड अपोजिट विकास हाई स्कूल, चंद्रायन गुट्टा, हैदराबाद। सेल 9966930824 या 9391326261।
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलते रहें।